Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And guys, use a use a field surface, and field surface is very important for a beginner, a student, and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And guys, this lecture is 6 and 6 is a discuss a field surface. Okay, let's this point a field surface is a drawing this body, and how to all process is learn here a field surface. Okay, easily drawing here a field surface is very easy drawing here. And okay, let's start here this process is learn here. Okay, at first going to part, and some setting is very important. And this setting is a going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a use a okay, a front plane sketch, and drawing a center line. A center line is a drawing here, but not mention any dimension. Okay, exit, and isometric. Okay, and this is normal, and select a plane. Plane is this use a right plane, and sketch normal. Okay, again drawing a center line, center rectangle is drawing here. Okay, and this is a this. Okay, and dimension is also not mentioned here because this is not used here any dimension, because only a process is learned here. Okay, and use a field surface, and click this line, and all a space is a field. Okay, this is a very useful. And okay, all point is very important. Okay, and click OK. This surface is a closed surface, and again select a field surface is used here, and this line is a select here. Okay, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, both is correct. And this is a okay, some distance is a this. Okay, and some material is apply here and going to this metal, and at first going to this appearance and select a metal, and metal is a brush, and brush is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a field surface is very important, and very useful. And this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student is very important, and some basic point is learn here. Okay, guys, next lecture is 7 is coming soon. And okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.